If you do not subscribe, your dog will dance for me. What's up guys, welcome back. Out in Kisha's back with a brand new video out here. Onto this video, I want to show you how you can win up to 250k doing some simple stuff. Yes, answering questions, and you will be able to win so much money, huge prize, right? So all you have to do is just have to watch this video until the end. I'm going to show you step by step, and I know and I believe some of you or most of you know this, right? So before I start, I'd like to say shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. If you didn't subscribe, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now, and on my next video you'll get a shout out. This is deal or no deal, right? And I know most of you know this is some show on SABC1. I know and I believe some of you know this, or most of you know this. So onto this video, I'm going to show you how you can enter, so you'll be able to be on the show and stand a chance to win up to 250k. Yes, you can see here you could win a huge cash prize of up to 250,000, right? So all you have to do, I will leave a link in the description. Yes, check the second link in the description, then it will take you to this website, and after that just click on enter now, right? Enter now. So then you're just going to answer some simple questions. So you can see there, application must be South African citizen, 18 years or older. So you can see here some details that you have to upload, some simple stuff, right? So after you just click, you have to do. So this it will take you to this page, and on this page all you have to do, just have to fill in your information. Then after putting all your information, just press next. So it will take you to this question again. You just have to answer these questions, right? Answer these questions. Again, press next. So just have to upload here, just have to upload a 30-second video of yourself and why you want to be a contestant. I don't know how to pronounce this. Either way guys, you can see all I have to do, just have to upload a video here explaining blah blah. You can see here, right? You may upload a file up to 250 MB. Then after you upload, you just upload the file, and after that it will take you to finish. After finish, then guys, then you'll be done. Then we'll be done on the next page. Guys, this is all on how to enter deal or no deal and stand a chance to win up to 250k. Guys, please guys, go out there and make sure you enter this. Who knows, maybe you can win this money. You can win 100k. Guys, this money can change your whole life. Guys, I hope you like this video and find this video very helpful. If you do, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, so on my next video you'll get a shout out and you'll get a notification. Peace.